Hey students, it's Mr. Young, and today we're going to review what short-handled implements are. Short-handled implements are often used in PE to work on our ball handling and control skills. So you're going to see I have 4 different rackets or paddles here, and you're going to see that it looks very similar on how I underhand strike using these different tools or implements, but there is a little difference for each one. So I'm going to first show you forward, so you're going to look at me from the front, and then we're going to do a sideways view. So notice I hold it about my waist. I don't really, in slow motion, it looks like I'm tossing the object, but I'm actually striking it out of my hand. So I don't toss it up in the air. I hold on to it and strike it out of my hand. You'll notice I step with my opposite foot when underhand striking, and I really have to lean, and the longer the implement is, or the handle on the implement, the further I have to lean when I'm underhand striking. So I had to lean a little further there using the tennis racket. Let's see how far I have to lean when I use a badminton racket. So this has a really long handle, even though it's a short-handled implement. So look how far I have to lean, and I hold the ball a little lower on this, so it's below my waist, more towards my knee or my thigh. And I'll always do a 1, 2, 3 to make sure I line my shot up. Let's take a look from the side now. You'll notice I rarely bring my short-handled implement or my racket beyond my front leg that's stepping forward. That helps me so I don't do a big arm swing. When I do a big arm swing, sometimes I'll hit the ball in a direction I don't really want it to go. So a great way to practice this skill at home and get direct feedback is I'm only standing about 5 feet away from a wall, and I'm just working on hitting straight forward to the wall and using my eyes and hands and trying to catch it, and then just repeating over and over again. So you'll see the tennis racket, I had to lean a little further because it's a little bit longer than the lollipop paddle and the pickleball paddle. Okay, now here's the longest short-handled implement. I really have to lean forward. And again, I'm not bringing it beyond my front leg. That's my left foot that I'm stepping with because I'm striking underhand with my right hand. So I hope this gives you an idea and some visual tools to help you practice this skill at home. Have fun practicing your underhand striking, and good luck, students.